Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear students, I am Vijayadevi. Very happy to see you through the second video of Python function chapter. I wish to start today's class with the key points of last video, and we are going to discuss about structure, flow and examples. Key points of last class. So first we discussed about the definition of function. Large program is broken down into smaller unit known as function, and we discussed all the points. And use of function. Reusability and clarity is the main use of function. And function types. Function classified into three types: built-in, user-defined function, defined in module. Then today we are going to see about the structure of Python program. Generally, all function definitions are given at the top, followed by the statement which are not part of any function. Python interpreter starts the execution of a program at the top level. Top level statement. Top level statements are top level statement. Top level statements are the part of main program. Python stores this name in a built-in variable called name. By using print function, we can get the main answer on the output screen. So program execution always starts from the top level. This is called as main block. By default, Python names the segment with the top level statement as underscore underscore main underscore underscore. Let us now talk about how the control flows on the time of function call. So flow of execution is the next topic, next heading. See here, first, the top level statement get executed. See, first the statement get executed. Here print me is the function. So function block not now. Top level statement get executed first. So this is the first top level statement. So here I have the function calling statement. Print me is the function name. Is defined here. So function calling, this is function calling statement. So the control will move on to this location, and this is the actual argument. The value pass on to the formal argument named str. So str is here formal argument. After executing this function definition, the control will return back to the calling place. Then the next statement of top level get executed. So here again we have the calling statement. So again the control will move on to the calling function header part. Then function get executed. Once again the control come back to the calling place. That is the second line of the top level. So the answer going to be, I'm first call to the user defined function, and again second call to the user defined function. This is going to be the output of the program. And we'll see the same thing with two examples. So this is example 1, example 2. So first we'll start with the example 1. See the example here. So program to add two numbers. This is the program to add two numbers. So first here we have function definition. Then we have function block. Then we have calling statement. Then we have print statement. Okay. So first which get executed? The first line of the statement is first line of the program is command line program. So it will be ignored by the interpreter. So the second get executed first. Statement 2 get executed first. Then this is the function. So the function block cannot be executed now. So it will search for the top level statement. So here statement 5 is the top level statement. So next 5 get executed. And then here we have inside the fifth statement we have function calling line. So the control will move on to the function header. That is the statement 2. So statement 2 get executed now. After executing 2, the function get executed. So inside the function we have two statements, 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 get executed now. After executing fourth statement is written. So this will return back to the calling place. So here this is the fifth statement is the calling place. So fifth get executed. After reading the fifth statement, sixth get executed. This is the flow of execution of a function call and the program. And we'll discuss the same with the next one more example. Here I have two calling statement. This is the difference between the first and the second. First is simply addition, second is simply multiplication. Okay, we'll see now. So again the first statement is the comment line. So comment line will be ignored by the compiler, interpreter. So it will move on with the second line. So second statement get executed first. Then this is the function line. So function block will not be executed now. This will search for the top level statement. Here the fifth statement is the top level statement, main statement. So fifth they get executed in the second time. Then see inside function fifth statement we have function call. So this will transfer the control to the function header. Multiply is the function name. So here I have multiply definition. So the control will move on to multiply function. So here I have two statements. So first, second will get executed. Then the function block 3 and 4 get executed. After executing 4, the control will return back to the fifth statement. So inside fifth we have print line. So print to get executed. So drawing get printed. Then sixth statement get executed. In sixth statement again we have calling line. So control again move on to the function definition. So after 6, 2, 3, 4 function statement. 2, 3, 4 get executed. Then return back to the calling place, that is the statement 6. I hope you understand the flow of execution of program. Okay, we'll see some more question answers. To understand the concept well, we'll see a few more question answers. Okay, first question. What is the difference between a formal argument and the actual argument? You know, function defined in argument defined in the calling line called as actual argument. Argument defined in the function header called as formal argument. See the definition now. Actual argument, argument or parameter, you can say whatever. Parameter is used in function call statement to send the values from the calling to the called function. It is also known as argument. Formal parameter is used in the function header of the called function to receive value from actual parameter. It is also known as parameter. Okay, let me see another example. Trace the execution flow. So this is going to be the program. This is going to be the program. See now. Here totally I have 8 lines of code. First statement get executed. This is the calling line. So function block cannot be executed now. Then this will come to 3. 3 is the empty line, so won't be. Then 4. 4 is the comment line. 4 also won't be. Fourth will get ignored by the compiler because of comment. Then fifth, yes, fifth get executed. 3 get assigned with x. Then print of x. So x get displayed on the screen after reading the sixth statement. Then increment of x. So this is the calling statement. So control will move on to the function. So value of x, that is the 3, gets stored in x. Here this x is denoting actual and this x is denoting formal. X equal to x plus 1. So 3 get added. Then print of x, this line get executed. So the flow is 1, then 5, 6, 7, after 7 control move on to 1, 2, then again return back to 8. This is the flow of this program execution. I'll see one more question. What is the wrong with the following definition? See the definition, find out the mistake. Later we can see the answer. Now I give you 1 minute, think and tell me. Yes, good try. I hope you got the point. See here, this won't produce any error because there is no syntactical mistakes present in this program. But logically, see here, there is no calling statement. Test is the function, but there is no calling statement, and there is no top level statement to execute this. This is the mistake present in the program. I can show you. See here, def fn is the function name, and return 3 into 4 is the statement. Here print well. See the output of this program. I'm going to run. No error, but there is no answer. If I change the indentation, see now. So the answer going to be well. If I call the function fn, yes, by mistake I forgot to add in. See, now I added. We'll see now. See, it's giving 12 because 3 into 4 is 12. Okay, we'll see few more. This is the other program. To understand the flow of execution, here I added one small sample code. Def check is the function name. Here I have one print statement, and in the top level I have 3 lines, 3 statements. 2 is simply print and 1 is function call. So what will be the answer of this? What will be the answer of this? See now, first top line statement get executed, print before function call, then this get displayed on the screen, then check get executed. So in check, see first before calling before function call get display, then I have function calling statement. So this get printed on the screen. After seeing the statement, the control will move on to check function definition. Then this get printed the second line, and I have simply one print statement that get printed the third place. So the answer going to be before function call, inside function, and after function call. Let me check the answer. See the answer now, before function call, inside function, then after function call. Going to be the answer of this program. I hope you understand the flow of execution. Well, thank you. Have a great day.